Welcome to Jungle Wildlife Camp, a riverside hotel with views to Chitwan National Park and obviously the river. Let's have a look inside. Arriving to Chitwan, we got picked up by a tuk-tuk, which was our first time ever, and that was the coolest experience. And we got dropped off right here, and that tuk-tuk ride is included in the price of the hotel. Over to the right, we've got reception, and then you've got all of the rooms which have views to this amazing courtyard, as well as Chitwan National Park and the river, Rapti River. And you also have really cute dogs that just roam around, as you do in many countries that we go to. You then keep walking and you come across the restaurant. The restaurant is huge, and the best part is having breakfast on the outside area early in the morning with views to the river. Look at these amazing views. And if you haven't been here, Sitaram is the best waiter ever. He is just so amazing. We spent the whole morning talking to him, and now we just spent another hour talking to him. Honestly, the best person you ever meet in Nepal.
Hi, hello, hi. Yeah, I'm Sitaram. Yes, please, yeah. Subscribe to Karma Adventures. Like this video, okay.
And in the high season, because right now it's monsoon, you'll be able to find chairs and tables all out here, and you can literally spend the whole day out here. And from here, you can literally stand on top of the Rapti River. But don't get too comfortable because there are crocodiles right here, so be safe. And now, let's check out our room. 519. We have a lounge area, which in monsoon means nothing because there is no fresh air. We have great views to the river, but if you walk to the end of the corridor, then the views are even crazier. Very rustic, we got our lock. Close the door as quick as you can because there are so many insects. You are in the jungle after all. This is the bed. Very comfy. There's a fan above me. But why would you need a fan when you've got AC? This room can literally turn into North Pole if you wanted to. Excuse the mess, but we are backpacking after all. You've got lots of storage space here, little desk, a mirror, and a TV as well. And of course, sacred Wi-Fi if you're a travel content creator. And finally, the toilet. Don't be surprised if you're in Nepal and the shower and the toilet are kind of in the same place. This is very typical in Nepal, and you just get used to it after a while. And last but not least, you also have amazing views to Chitwan National Park and the river right from your room. Don't even need to go outside. And now for the question you must be asking yourself. How much did this room cost? For 2 nights in Jungle Wildlife Camp, we paid 6,269 rupees. Do you guys think this hotel is worth the price? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.
Hello, it's me, it's not Carol anymore. We had dinner at the hotel and it was absolutely delicious. And now we are having dessert, which interestingly enough, we order it with banana, pancake, freshly made with banana in the mix. And now we're gonna put some honey. Just a tiny little bit. There we go, we're brushing it on it. Now, let's give it a try. So good. Everything in this hotel is so good and so cheap.
We just got some free cake because it's someone's birthday today, so amazing. I'm so full though.